The GM 3.6-liter V6 LFX engine became one of General Motors' most widespread modern V6 power plants. Introduced around 2012 as an updated version of the earlier LLT engine, the LFX was designed to improve reliability, reduce weight, and increase efficiency. It powered a huge range of vehicles from Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac. On paper, the engine looked excellent. Direct injection, variable valve timing, aluminum construction, and strong horsepower numbers. But after years of real-world use, owners and mechanics discovered several weaknesses that can become expensive if ignored. The LFX is a naturally aspirated 3.6-liter DOHC V6 with a 60-degree aluminum block and aluminum cylinder heads. It uses direct fuel injection, variable valve timing on all camshafts, forged steel crankshaft construction, and timing chains instead of a timing belt. Depending on the application, output ranges from roughly 300 to 323 horsepower. One major improvement over earlier GM high-feature V6 engines was the integrated exhaust manifold design, which reduced weight and improved emissions performance. The LFX also received a revised cylinder head design and upgraded fuel system compared to older LLT versions. Although the LFX was improved compared to earlier GM 3.6 engines, timing chain wear still remains one of its most famous problems. Earlier versions of the GM high-feature V6 family suffered severe timing chain stretching issues, mainly caused by poor oil maintenance and long oil change intervals. The LFX reduced the frequency of failures, but neglected engines can still develop stretched timing chains after high mileage. Symptoms include check engine lights, camshaft correlation codes, rough running, cold start rattles, and reduced performance. In severe cases, the engine may jump timing and cause internal damage. Regular oil changes with high-quality synthetic oil are critical because the timing chain system depends heavily on clean oil pressure. Like many direct-injected engines, the LFX suffers from carbon accumulation on intake valves. Because fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber, gasoline no longer washes oil vapors off the intake valves. Over time, carbon deposits form and restrict airflow. Common symptoms include rough idle, hesitation, misfires, loss of power, and poor fuel economy. Walnut blasting is often required every 70,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on driving conditions and maintenance habits. Vehicles used mainly for short trips tend to experience heavier carbon buildup. Some LFX engines develop moderate oil consumption problems as mileage increases. In many cases, the issue is connected to the PCV system and crankcase ventilation design. Excessive oil vapor can enter the intake system and increase carbon buildup while also lowering oil levels between services. Owners who fail to monitor oil levels risk accelerated timing chain wear because low oil pressure directly affects the chain tensioners and cam phasers. While not every engine burns oil excessively, checking oil levels regularly is extremely important on high-mileage examples. The water pump is another known weak point on the GM 3.6 V6 family. On the LFX, water pumps can begin leaking or making bearing noise after higher mileage. Coolant leaks may appear near the front of the engine, and overheating can occur if the issue is ignored. Fortunately, the repair is usually far less catastrophic than on some other engines because the water pump is externally mounted rather than buried deep inside the timing cover. Still, overheating an aluminum engine can quickly lead to warped heads or head gasket damage. Ignition coils and spark plugs are common maintenance items on the LFX. Misfires often appear after 80,000 to 120,000 miles, especially if spark plug replacement intervals are ignored. Because the engine uses direct injection and relatively high combustion temperatures, worn ignition components can quickly trigger check engine lights and drivability problems. Fortunately, coil replacement is generally straightforward and not excessively expensive. The high-pressure direct injection system provides strong performance and fuel economy, but injectors can become noisy or fail with age. Some owners report hard starts, rough idle, fuel trim problems, or fuel smell symptoms caused by leaking injectors. Since direct injection operates under extremely high pressure, repairs can become costly compared to older port-injected engines. The GM 3.6-liter LFX V6 delivers strong power, smooth operation, and impressive refinement for a naturally aspirated engine. It remains one of GM's best modern V6 engines when compared to its predecessors. However, it is not a completely trouble-free power plant. Timing chain wear, carbon buildup, oil consumption, and cooling system issues are the main areas buyers and owners should monitor closely. With proper maintenance, the LFX can be a durable and enjoyable engine, but neglected examples can quickly become expensive projects.